When you're about to present, what do you write down? I'll let you in a secret. I never write a script. And well, when I say that, I never write a full longhand script. I will not write down word for word what I want to say, because there is no way I'm going to remember it. I'm certainly not going to read it. So what's the point in writing it all down? I think you should be writing prompts. A good adage to remember is to know what you want to say, but don't know your words, i.e. know the points you want to cover, the things that you need to tick off in this presentation, but don't have a set form of words with which you're going to say it. Now, that goes for all the videos I shoot. I know what I want to say. I don't have a script. I'm not reading an autocue. I don't have it written down. I know the points I need to make, and I'm just extemporizing around them. I'm just talking about them. Now, does that mean I fluff occasionally? Yeah. But you know what? That's a natural part of conversation. And people don't mind. Well, if you do mind, you're probably switched off already. So, hey, there we go. If you are writing a script, you will end up parroting it. If you learn it, what happens if you forget it? If you're interrupted, suddenly your attention is pulled elsewhere, somebody's phone goes off. You've suddenly got to find yourself back in that script, and that is really tough. And if you blank, you're stuffed. If you are reading it, chances are you will end up reading a piece of paper and you won't make eye contact. You might just look up occasionally and then you look back down your paper and you go, hang on, where was I? What was I? Reading a script is never a presentation. It's a reading. It's not a presentation. All you're doing is reading something. And quite frankly, you might as well just send me the script so I can read it at my own time and pace. Thank you very much. It's not a presentation. You're reading it out. So I say have prompts. Now, for me, that's normally just bullet points. I'm not a keen fan of bullet points on slides, as anybody who's watched my videos about slides will know, but I think they're great for prompts. So I can reduce even a 60-minute presentation to probably one cue card, and I will just have bullet points. So I know the points I need to hit. I might have timings next to the bullet points, so I know roughly what time I should be at by the time I move on to the next one. And I might just have a couple of words that says, tell the story about the tree, or do the exercise or the little discussion about that topic, or don't forget to mention this statistic. So I would just have the little details I need just to remind me, oh yeah, I know how to tell that story about the tree. That's fine, here we go. So prompts mean that you have something in front of you. So if your mind goes blank, you can just look down and go, oh yeah, I need to tell the story about the tree. You know where you're going next, because you can tell that story. You've told it hundreds of times, I would imagine. So it is a prompt to you to keep you going. It means you've got something if you are a nervous presenter and you need something in front of you. But please, please do not go up onto any presentation with a word-for-word script, because you will end up reading it. And as I say, that's not really a presentation, that's going to a reading. So I think, yeah, prompts are the way forward. So it's prompts, not a script. Remember the adage, know what you want to say, but don't know your words. Doesn't mean to say we won't rehearse it, and we'll talk about rehearsal in a future video, but you're just going to talk about it naturally, conversationally, just talk about the points you need to make. Hope that's helpful. See you next time.